Good morning, dear students. In the previous class, we learned about the time. How can you say the time whenever you want to tell the time in the morning, in the evening, in the night, in the midnight with use of the AM and the PM. And then we also solve the next exercise, that is the exercise 8.4. Now we are going to learn the next topic. Before start the next topic, I want to show you something I had this one. What is this? I'm just think that everyone have this one at their home, schools also, in their offices also, their parents' offices also. What is this? This is a calendar. What is the use of that? It will be used to show the months, show the date, show the days also. So calendar is the most powerful thing that are used to show the everything like a date and the month also. Even that will also show the year also. Year देखने के लिए, day देखने के लिए date, day and the date also it will be shown. हमने अभी तक time पढ़ा पूरा. अभी हमें दिन कैसे देखना है? That thing we are learning with use of the calendar. So our next topic is the calendar. So now as you know that a year have a 12 months. Year में 12 months होते हैं. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and the December. There are 12 months are there. Now we are going to find how many days of each month have. सबके पास कितने month होते हैं. So for that there is a knuckle trick is there. For that you have to be just do like this, your hands, and start from this one here, left or right, choice of yours. आपको लेकिन sequence में ही जाना है. January, this is a one hard portion, that is a one soft portion. Hard portion, soft, hard, soft, hard and the soft. आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हो. इस तरह से अगर हम देखेंगे तो ये जो there are two bones are there and between them there is a one gap. So like that you have to be count January, hard portion, February, March, April, May, June, July. Then second hand August, September, October, November and the December will be end here. Right? तो इस तरह से हमें स्टार्ट करना है. यहाँ पे आपको सिर्फ मंथ याद रखना है. मंथ याद अपने तो रख दिए. यहाँ से जनवरी स्टार्ट करना है. February will be came into the gap. March, April, but what are the days of that? उनके days आप किस तरह से fix करोगे? Days of month we are fix using of this. जैसे जनवरी के लिए आपने hard bond देखा, means a 31 days. अगर hard bond आता है that is a 31 days. फिर फरवरी के लिए मैं अभी फरवरी को छोड़ रही हूँ. आई एम टेकिंग अ मार्च डायरेक्टली. फरवरी देन मार्च इज अगेन अ हार्ड पोर्शन, दैट इज अ 31 डेज. अगर हार्ड पोर्शन आ रहा है 31 डेज, सॉफ्ट पोर्शन आ रहा है मीन्स 30 डेज. अप्रैल, जनवरी, फरवरी, मार्च, अप्रैल यहाँ पे आएगा तो 30 डेज. लाइक दैट मे 31, June 30, July 31. Okay, January, February, March, April, May, June, July will be here. Last point. Then we start with the second hand. August is also a hard bond. So August के लिए आप वापिस से 31 days लोगे. September 30. August, September, October 31, November 30 and December 31 days. Again start with the January. Now what about the February? February is only the month that have 28 or 29 days. आपको सिर्फ फरवरी का याद रखना है, बाकी सब तो आप यहाँ से इजीली कर पाओगे कि अगर हार्ड बॉन्ड आता है तो उसका मतलब 31 डेज. अगर देयर इज अ गैप दैट मीन्स 30 डेज. ये चीज आपको याद रख देनी है. लेकिन सिर्फ फरवरी के लिए आप याद रखोगे 28 डेज और 29 डेज। ये हुई बात हमारे मंथ की। यू कैन सी दिस इज अ वन कैलेंडर ऑफ जनवरी 2020। आप पूरा पोर्शन यहाँ पे देख सकते हो। उसमें कैलेंडर में कितने 1 डेज है? देर आर 31 डेज इन द जनवरी 2020। इवन देर इज अ नेम गिवन, देर इज अ डे नेम इज गिवन, दिस इज अ 1 वीक फ्रॉम संडे टू सैटरडे, देर इज अ 1 वीक। इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? अगर संडे से स्टार्ट करके आप सैटरडे पे जाओगे तो एक वीक होगा। 1 2 3 4 5 6 एंड 7। So 1 week equals to 7 days. 1 week equals to 7 days. Now it's asking for the month. There is a month and that have a some particular weeks. 1 week, 2 week, 3 week, 4 week and the 5 week, like this. Some of the month have a 4 weeks, some of the month have a 5 weeks. So 1 month equals to 4 or 5 weeks. Okay, this thing you have to be remembered. Now next thing, as I told you that the days of the month, if there is a hard bone means a 31 days, if there is a soft gap that means a 30 days. But in the February, you know that February has a 28 or 29 days, and a year have 1 year have 365 or 366 days. This all things you have to be remember. आपको ये सारी चीजें याद रखनी पड़ेगी. 1 year equals to 365 or 366 days. Now, how can we tell that it's a 365 or 366? That is depend on the February. अगर फरवरी में 28 डेज होंगे तो टोटल 1 ईयर में 365 डेज होंगे. अगर फरवरी में 29 डेज होंगे तो 1 ईयर में 366 days होंगे. Whenever a February has a 29 days, जब फरवरी में 29 days होंगे, that year is called the leap year. That year is called a leap year. Because why leap year? Because of February है a 1 day more. क्योंकि फरवरी के पास ज्यादा एक दिन होता है. That's why it called a leap year. And a leap year comes in a 4 years once. Comes in a 4 year one. वो 4 साल में एक बार ही आता है. 4 साल के बाद, जैसे कि फर्स्ट हम देखें, that will be came in the 19. I'm just giving the example. 1996 is a leap year. 1996 is a leap year. Then whenever you add a 4, that means a 2002. So that is a 2000. 2000 is a leap year. उसके अंदर अगर आप 4 ऐड करोगे 2004, that is also a leap year. Whenever you add 4 in the 2004, that is a 2008. That means all this number whenever you add in the 4 in the 96, आपको 1996 याद रख देना है, या फिर आप याद रख सकते हो 2000. 2000 is a leap year. अगर आप सब्ट्रैक्शन करोगे तो उसके आगे की ईयर्स आप देख पाओगे. अगर आप एडिशन करोगे you can see the next year. 2000 is the leap year. Whenever you add 4, so it will be show the other leap years too. Then lastly we know that this is a 2021 and 2020 is also a leap year. You can see in the February, this is a January. This is the month of the February. In the February you can see that there is a 29 days. 29 days है. इसका मतलब जो हमारा लास्ट ईयर था 2020, that is also a leap year. Now how can you write any of the date? I will be always send these notes to you, so don't worry if you are not able to write anything. Okay, how can you write dates? Okay, for example, I told you write down the date February 5, 2016. February 5, 2016. तो इसको आप, this is a one also a way you can write down first day. You have to be write down in this format. Date, month, and the year. You can also change this one, but by default you have to use this one. So date is the 5, month is the February, means a 02, and year means a 2016. This is a formation is that. Other formation for this is month, date, comma, year. Month, date, comma, year. This is a that format. There are the two ways that you can write down the date and the day and the year. Okay, so two ways you have to be used for the writing the dates. You have to just remember the formation of them. आपको आइडेंटिफाई करना आना चाहिए कि डेट कौन सी है, मंथ कौन सा है, ईयर कौन सा है. Okay, so now from that we are going to solve the next exercise, that is the exercise 8.1. Okay, exercise 8.1, there is a one calendar given in your textbook on the page number 129. Question number 1, use a calendar and answer the following question. 2019 का कैलेंडर आपको यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है, उसके अकॉर्डिंग आपको यहाँ पे नीचे क्वेश्चंस भी दिए हुए, उसके आंसर्स आपको देने हैं. जनवरी, फरवरी, मार्च, अप्रैल, मई, जून, जुलाई, अगस्त, सितंबर, अक्टूबर, नवंबर एंड द दिसंबर. You have to also see that week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday for all the months, and date from the 1 to 31 or 1 to 28 or 1 to 30 also. सभी की डेट भी आपको क्लियरली दिख रही है. Now let's read the question. The first Wednesday in the month of March falls on blank. For what is the question? First Wednesday, पहला Wednesday in month of March. So you have to go directly to the March. ये रहा हमारा March. तो March में क्या पूछा है? First Wednesday कब आता है? So you can see here first date start on the Friday, then you can see Monday, Tuesday, and here is the Wednesday. So Wednesday कब आया वो आपको देखना है, that is on the date 6. So you can write down here on 6, or you can write down the whole full date. Second, there are blank Saturdays in the month of June. कितने सैटरडेज है जून में वो आपको काउंट करने. पहले हम जून को देखेंगे. दिस इज द मंथ ऑफ जून. नाउ वी हैव टू बी काउंट द सैटरडेज. सो हियर देयर इज अ सैटरडे, फ्राइडे के सैटरडे. सो 1, 2, 3, 4 and the 5 Saturdays are there. So you can write down here a 5. The last day in month of October. Last day in month of October. तो पहले आपको अक्टूबर को देखना. ये रहा अक्टूबर. उसमें लास्ट डे अक्टूबर इज हियर. लास्ट डे मीन्स 31. 31 कब आ रहा है? 31 is come on the Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and the Thursday. So you have to be write down Thursday. Next, the last day of year falls in. Last day of year means last. पहले आपको last month देखना पड़ेगा. That is a December. December में last day we have to find out the day. That is 31 day. Here is not a last day. Last date आपको देखनी होगी पहले. There is a 31. 29 is not last date of the December. 31 is the last date of December. So you have to be focused on that. 31 कब आ रहा है? That will be came on the Monday and the Tuesday. So the answer is the Tuesday. Now next one. Look at the calendar of the current year, means 2021. and answer the following question. You have to be first take your 21 calendar 2021 and then you have to be write down the answers here. Okay, so first question, the name of the third day in the month of April. So you have to be first sit with the 2021 calendar. Now we have to find out the third way in the month of the April. I already sit with the calendar of April. So this is the April 2021. We have to find out the third day. Means the first date, second date and the third day. That is a Saturday. So here you have to be write down Saturday. August is the blank month of year. So for that you have to be count the number of the day. I am taking from here January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August is here. So count the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay. The month of July comes in between. July किसके बीच में आता है? This is the July. So July is come between the June and the August. So you have to be write down the June and August. There are blank Sundays in the month of September. Okay, so this is the month of the September. We have to count down the number of the Sundays. This is the Sunday. So we have to count out the number of the Sunday. 1, 2, 3 and the 4. Write down 4s here. The month of February ends on blank. February कब end हो रहा है, कौन से दिन end हो रहा है, that thing we have to write. Okay, so this is the calendar of the February. We have to find out the which day its end. Means there is a 28 and its end on the Sunday. So you can write down that month of February ends on the Sunday. Okay, 15th day in the month of November. 15th day means of 15 date. आपका डे का मतलब अभी डेट ले लेना है क्योंकि आइडेंटिफाई नहीं किया कौन सा डे. सो 15th डे इन द मंथ ऑफ नवंबर. फर्स्ट ओपन द नवंबर. Okay, this is the November. So you can see it will be 15 day. We have to find out in that there is a 15 date is here. It will be on the Monday. So you have to be write down the Monday. Monday. That's it. Now next question is depend on the 2025 calendar. That will be you have to be solved by yourself. This is your homework. Complete it with use of the given calendar. Okay, so going to end the video. Bye everyone. Have a good day.